Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A company called Auxito recently reached out to me and asked me to do a review for them on some lights. So they sent me two sets of lights, a DD-Y19 and a Q16. They're high beams and low beams for my RAM. So I checked out their website and the lights seem to have a really good review. Everybody seems to like them and they make lights pretty much for about everything. So I thought, what the heck, I'll put them on there and we'll see how they look. So we're going to do just that. So the lights Auxito originally sent me for the low beams were the Q16s, which were incorrect. So after reaching out and letting them know, they sent me the correct lights, which were the Y19s. In testing out the lights, I set my frame rate at 24, my shutter speed at 48, and my ISO at 1000. I also positioned the truck in the same spot when testing against my garage door, as well as driving down the same road when testing both the low and the high beams. After the test, I was amazed at the results. The Auxito LED lights performed exceptionally well against the old halogen lights that were on my truck. You can take a look for yourself and let me know in the comments what you think. Needless to say, but I will be keeping these Auxito LED lights on my truck, as in my opinion, these lights are awesome. I will also be looking forward to testing these lights out even more on future overlanding trips in my RAM.